Dodgy's family vlog. Good morning guys and welcome back to the Dodgy's family vlog. We today are going to a place called Hendre Falls. It's up towards Brecon Beacon, and it's where they filmed Batman the Dark Knight Rises. It's where they filmed the Batcave. It's actually a waterfall and the Batcave was based behind this. So we're going to visit that today. And we're asking you to come along. You can, by all means. Princess is making a, hence the Batman. Princess is making a list of things we need. Sandwiches? What we got here? Do you want to tell everybody what you got on your list?
Sandwiches,
drinks and crisps.
And there's only two ticked.
And there's only two ticked, so we're going. Which one do we need to get? Drinks. We're going to pick them up on the way, I think, aren't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mrs. D, got her Batman on. Let's have a look, babes. Look at that. Yes, we're all Batmaned up. Hendre Falls won't know what hit it. iPads. Right, guys, we're on our way. How do I speak like Batman? I'm Batman. Is that it? Is that it?
I don't know. I didn't yet. I wasn't listening.
I'm Batman. We're going to Batcave. Come along with us for the ride.
What do you think about that?
What do you think? Croissant.
Croissant. Oh, she thinks croissant.
I'm Batman. Come into the Batcave.
We're here, guys. At last. Got a bit lost, didn't we, mate? Yeah, it's not the easiest place to find.
Lost.
Yeah, and we asked for directions.
Farmer's dog.
Yeah, chased by a farmer's dog. We did. We pulled into this farm. This dog came running out really nasty, wasn't it? I thought he was going to have us. But anyway, we're here now. Right, Princess?
We were in the car though, so I don't.
We were in the car, yeah, so thankfully he didn't. He didn't get us. Okay. Watch your space. Right. You are here. Alright. That's the car park. Yeah? Yeah? We agreed?
There.
We're there on that dot. So we gotta go through that gate.
From here.
Yeah? Through the gate?
Yeah. And then we
Through
go.
Creek Eye? Through the gate?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Wasn't really paying attention.
Through the
And
gate.
then
There's
go
Hendre
round
Falls. So through the gate, down the hill, and then we gotta take a left. Right.
And then we-
Yeah? You got that? Is it? You got that now? Do you know the way?
No.
Sorry, we'll find it, don't worry. I can hear it. Okay, you guys? Watch you don't slip, mine. It's quite slippery.
Okay.
Ooh. Last thing I just heard was, I hope there's a bench down there for the street outside. Oh, look. Wow, look at that. Look at that, mate. What's this, mate? It's not working, I don't think.
Fossils and
No. No good?
rubbish.
No. Come on, we'll find it. We can see it, it's just finding it. Guys, found a sign. Can you see it? Waterfall.
This way.
This away. Let's go. What are you saying, babes?
That looks really pretty by the waterfall.
Oh, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. And look at this, guys.
Look at that big
This
log.
is all coming from the waterfall. Look at that big tree that's fallen down there.
I know, look at all these. There's 1, 2,
Wow.
4,
What do you think, you two?
5 trees.
Very
that's
picturesque.
fallen down. 5 trees that's fallen down.
5 trees fallen down?
Yeah.
Run! Yes. Look at this.
I thought it would be really quick.
Wow. Guys, look at that. Is that not awesome or what? Look at this, guys. Look at that. That was the entrance to the Batcave, in behind the waterfall there. Fantastic. That's amazing, I love it. Here's a clip from the movie, and it shows where Robin first discovers the Batcave. Look at this, guys. Huh? What do you think of that? Huh? What do you think of that, you two? Straw! She thinks it's absolutely straw. I'm going to try and get behind it. So,
I think everything today.
You think everything today. She's crazy. I'm going to try and get behind her now. Watch this space. Getting a little bit wet by here now. It's just spray off the waterfall. Let's go. Guys, I'm in. Very wet. Look at that. Matching in the Batcave. Huh? It's not much of a cave, don't get me wrong. I don't think Batman reaches it over there. This is amazing. What an amazing experience. Wow, wow. Amazing. Guys, amazing. We're in the Batcave.
It's really loud.
We just seen Batman, but he's a bit shy. Look at this. Wow, it's very wet. We're getting soaking. I'm trying to show you, but the camera keeps getting soaking. Let me go by here. What do you think, guys? Fantastic. Yeah. Wow. There's things you would only think you could see abroad. It genuinely is. What an absolutely fantastic place. I gotta switch off, the camera is soaking. Guys, I'm Batman. I've lost it, I've lost the plot. Soaking. Soaked through. Soaked through.
My trousers stuck to my legs.
I'm going to go back to the car and I'll get changed. Guys, that is absolutely fantastic. If you've never been here, it's a bit of a stickler to find. We got you in the end. There's parking facilities, so that's good. And it's a nice one, nothing too tricky. Yeah, if you've never been here, give it a go. Hendre Falls. Google it. Absolutely fantastic. The Batcave.
I'm gonna have a sandwich then, yeah?
Guys, that was amazing. Absolutely fantastic. You see these guys? See these guys in the background? Look. Oh no, it's a bit windy for that, I think, guys. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Like I just said, if you haven't been here, get yourself down here.
Hello, Mr. D's driving, so I'm being chauffeured, which is nice. And these two in the back, we brought their onesies because Mum's Captain Sensible and thought they might get wet, so luckily they are nice and warm. What do we think of the waterfalls then? Recommend everybody goes to see them?
iPad. I thought of iPad.
Sasha brought her iPad to entertain her on the way.
No, I thought of iPad.
You never bought an iPad? Sort of an iPad.
What, you want to fight with an iPad?
No.
Anyway, we're on our way home now. It's been a great day. Absolutely loved seeing the waterfalls. And yeah, that's the end of the weekend. It's been a good one. Yeah. Home now, be bath and bed, make Sarnies ready for school and work. Yes. And yeah, just chill out for the evening. So glad you came along. Why are you hiding, Kai? And yeah, thanks for joining us. Anybody want to say anything? Over and out.
Bye.
Don't get lost or squashed.
Speak more soon.